Are you tired of doing homework? Click here to play my game.
Oh, that sounds way better than homework. Let's do it. Whoa! Huh? Why is everything pink?
Welcome to the pink versus purple fun challenge. Let's start. Huh? Wait, why did I get the pink one?
Oh, I got purple. Oh, I know.
Hey, that's mine.
Ooh, I think we should trade. Here you go.
Wait, no, don't. Max, you got the frosting everywhere. Huh? The inside is pink?
Wait, what? Oh, let's trade back.
Too bad, it's mine now. Jelly beans?
Ooh, let me see what mine is. I hate brown. Let's try something else.
Hey! No fair! I was still eating!
Ooh, that looks pretty good. Ooh, time for a drink. Oh, that looks so plain. Time for candy. Ooh, time to drink up. Delicious.
Oh yeah? I bet I can make mine better. I'ma use soda candy. Now I'm gonna add grape heads and cotton candy. Time for a taste test.
Oh, that looks tasty. Aha! Perfect. This tastes good.
Huh? It's gone already? Hey, watch this! Ta-da!
Oh, huh?
Candy race! Ready?
Go! Oh, man!
Finally, I get to try the candy! Ow!
That's not how you eat it. Watch me.
You still haven't had your penalty.
No, please don't. Let's go to the next one.
How about some nerds? You go first.
That's it? I don't think so. Ooh, much better. Come on, more. Hey, my nerds!
Nerds are good, but I have a better idea. Much better. Max, I challenge you.
Huh? Oh, nerd rope race.
3, 2, 1, go!
I need more nerd ropes. Huh? Oh, I love chocolate coins. Let's eat more.
I want chocolate coins too. Oh man, not eyeballs. Oh, so sour. Hubba Bubba versus Gummy Tape.
Ooh, I want Hubba Bubba.
First, you have to beat me in a gummy race using no hands.
Easy peasy.
Ready, go! So sour!
Looks like I'll win this one. Oh, spicy! I win, I'm done.
What?
Rules are rules. I win. Yeah. Ooh, this looks good.
I have to eat the gummy tape. Ew, it looks so sour. Juicy drop gummies. Whoa!
Ooh, thanks. The gummy's good, but the juice is so sour.
Wait, Max, stop eating. Let's have a stacking competition. Whoever makes the bigger stack without falling over wins. Haha, since I win, I get to choose your penalty. Double sour gel.
Oh. Oh, it's a little sour. Let's eat something else. Huh? Hello?
Flip phone pop! Grape flavor!
Oh, cool! But I need something special. Yummy!
Ooh, I want to try!
Hey! Oh, I know. Pause. So you like taking my food, huh? Now time to watch. Hey Lily, is this what you want?
Yes, yes, yes! What?
Not so fast. You gotta beat me at rock, paper, scissors.
Alright, let's go!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
I win! Give me that milk!
Oh, that's not fair. Best out of 3. Huh?
Since I won, I get to choose your penalty. Open up!
Oh! Almost by me! I have an idea for the next. Huh?
Max, time for dinner!
Oh, looks like I gotta go.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.